How much does it mean for you to get back here in your hometown, be near family, and play for USC this year?
It means a lot. Growing up in the area, not too far, I have a lot of pride and tradition being back home and being in LA and kind of playing for the city. And that's one of the mottos here. We play for LA, so it kind of fits perfect.
What's it been like playing under Coach Infield? Is he really exciting and getting you ready?
Yeah, they do a great job of just keeping positive energy around. We have a great time in practice. You see us a lot of smiles and joking around going around. Even like you said, when he yells at us, it's not personal. So that environment just makes it a lot of fun, and guys have a lot of energy. So I think games will be exciting, and we bring that energy to the games.
So you're senior, you were co-captain last year. How has it been transferring here and learning the new system and getting to know the players? Do you still have a leadership role?
I think so. I mean, what helps me out is that it's a new coach, so it's a new system for everybody. But since I'm new, I just try to lead by example and make sure I play hard. But we have a lot of leaders here, and our young guys are playing really well, so they can lead too. So we're all doing a great job of just kind of supporting each other, and I think everybody has like a kind of a leadership role.
Who's been standing out to you the most?
Besides myself, I would have no plan.
Good answer.
But I'm really impressed with Omar. He does a great job. He's got great hands. There's a lot of people, I mean, since I'm new to the team that, I didn't really know about, and their games are really kind of standing out to me. Byron does a great job scoring. JT's doing a great job being the leader. Freshman-wise, Julian Jacobs just plays really hard. Chaz might be one of the fastest players, if not in the conference, in the country. He's incredible, and he plays so hard. Roshan, we just got a lot of guys that I think a lot of people are going to be impressed with that, just because this style complements them so well. They're going to see them in different ways.
What do you bring to the game?
Just fun, and just the energy, like a calming presence. I just try to keep everybody loose, and it gets tense. There's a lot of pressure around here. Guys want to win games, but I just try to make sure we're still having fun and be kind of that calming big brother type of role.
We're all about fun here at USC Athletics.
Yeah, so.
Last night was Halloween. What was your all-time favorite Halloween costume growing up?
I think when I was a ninja.
Oh, very
nice.
That
was pretty cool. I really thought I was a ninja. I carried the sword around for like a week, so I was trying to take it to school and everything.
Can we see some of those skills out on the basketball court?
Yeah, the deceit, and kind of hiding, some stuff that you wouldn't expect, kind of like some ninja stuff, passes that you wouldn't think are there. I got it.
Awesome. Great. Thanks so much.
All right, no problem.